Going then, okay. First off, welcome guests. I see several people that I've not seen before, which means you're not students at FIEA. So welcome. I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that you came, family, friends, etc. Hopefully that you'll enjoy these games. I'm confident you will. We've been enjoying watching these games, some awesome demos. All of these games that you see have a Steam page. These are all worthy of actually showing to other people, which is very hard for a student project to do. I don't know if you've partaken of those kind of projects. You okay, JT? But we certainly have done a lot of those projects, worked with those kind of projects over the years, and so we know how hard.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about plugging or unplugging anything.
It's working now?
Once he gets it,
okay,
your
cool.
microphone should.
All right, so then without any further ado,
here we go.
Let's welcome John, Mark, Alan, and Solskjaer.
Of course, it's the magic clicker.
Want another clicker?
Nah, it works. Chris. Good afternoon, staff, faculty, alumni, honored guests. My name is John Mark Allen, and I'm deeply honored to be presenting for this team of 19 souls on board our Capstone project. Now, it's been a long 8 months since we've started this, and every month we provide a monthly update where I talk way the heck too much. I'm not going to do that today. I'm pretty sure that you guys came to watch us play a live demonstration of our game, which we intend to do here rather quickly. But there's a few notes beforehand, if you'll indulge us. Just a few minutes. We'd like to give voice to some of our developers and their experience with the game.
The game turned into a platformer where the goal was to not jump. And it went from being a capture zone to more of a platform. And so that's when we really got the idea to start putting it into the world and giving it different physics properties and different abilities in order to let the player interact at the level.
Yeah, so like visually, since it's so dynamic and for a long time it was just like a box, it was definitely a challenge to like come up with a way to like visualize it. So I tried a bunch of different things. There's a bunch of different things that we could have done, but what we ended up doing is essentially like taking inspiration from some of the procedural placement tools that I made for level designers and sort of repurposing that to generate at runtime. So what it's doing is it's kind of spline around the procedural mesh. But we're keeping it there as just like for collision and all that other stuff for mechanics and stuff. And so the spline essentially just acts as like a bounding box, and then we populate within it with different meshes.
Looks to make the UI look good and function correctly. Was definitely a big task. Learning to communicate properly with the discipline, looking at different terminologies that the different disciplines use in order to be able to communicate properly with each other.
The story and script writing was something I personally wanted to do. It was never like a focus of the game, so I think from the beginning I was like, hey, I'll do this on not on my time, I'll do this on my own time. I won't toggle hours for it, just let me do this because I really want to do this.
I really like the cinematic camera and the options you have with it. You can change the pan time for how long it takes to get from your cameras up to where it is or whatever. And I obviously praise on the TV.
I'd say there's something really challenging about your environment changing in real time and the AI having to react to that. Just making them like understand what they should be doing, when they should be chasing, when they should stop, or what is kind of the stop situation.
I mean, with working with the AI between design and programming, there's always going to be things that people think are possible in the beginning that if they're not working on it, they assume like, oh, we can just add in 10 more types of AI, or oh, we can just make the girl also AI, and it's kind of, as a lead, you have to be like, no, we can't do that. We can maybe make one other type that can screw drive, but we're not going to make 10 types that can like jump and have super speed and all of that. Like that's too much work for any people to do in an 8-month project.
So the first thing I did was I talked to each of the artists specifically and kind of got a feeling of the sort of art they like, what they would be interested in creating, and I got a general feeling that everybody wanted to make a pretty heavily stylized game. And there was even some talk about using a shader or some sort of like 2D effect for the environmental characters.
And for the epilogue to make sure that the emotional base of the epilogue was still there, we wanted to work within spatial rig, so we can really see the emotions in their face instead of just like this static gameplay one. But because we got to use the spatial rig, it really drove a lot of the emotional beats for the epilogue.
Working with a character like this forced me to really put emphasis on the weight and timing of his movements so that he could naturally blend in with this setting without looking too cartoonish or too over the top.
But the motion capture was fun to include because it goes from like video game world, and they were like, oh, that person is that character is moving like a real person would. oh, that's terrifying. Like, it's like a new level of like, oh, he's real and he's on his way.
Yeah, we had our own resident Muppet baby, my dog, Dr. Clinton Honeydew, playing Ambrose.
Still hearing my voice in the game is weird. Like, I know that I voice acted every single line, I remember recording it, but still when I hear it and I see her running around, especially because I also did her animations, like, no, that's just me running around with a baby cyborg bear. That's me. I mean, obviously she's not me, but like, when you do all of her animations and you voice her, and the person next to you that sat next to you through the whole project designed her, it's like my child right there. So it's interesting.
And then in terms of like actually modeling and designing character, as someone who comes from a more 2D, like traditional background, trying to learn how to model in 3D at the same time, for like the first time creating these characters, it was a really hard task because there are things like topology that I was still trying to learn. If I go back and I look at Nim and like Ambrose reads like topology, I'm gonna cry. But it was still a great learning process in the middle of making this game because it allowed me to like develop my skills as an artist and like later on in the future when I, pursue my artistic career.
I had a really good time developing this game, and I hope you guys choose to play and have a good time playing as well.
All right, well, thank you for that indulgence. One final note, though, before we begin is the mechanic of the game. It's pretty basic. It's pretty straightforward. This is two-player local co-op, played on a split screen. And on one side we have Ambrose, our cyborg bear. On the other side we have Nimue, his companion. Our cyborg bear puts artifacts into the world that create platforms, and Nimue can modify those platforms to the specific need. Now beyond that leaves one thing that we kind of dove into, and that is we've removed the jump from the game. We've created a necessity for you to use this platform in order to navigate the world around you. So it's very simply, how do you get through the environment? How do you get to the end? That's the puzzle to solve, and you use the platform along the way. So without further ado, I think we'd like to go ahead and show you this game, and we're very proud to show you Soul Shard. Okay, go ahead. Alt tab it.
Where's the file?
Yeah, close that.
X.
Minimize. Okay, presentation 2.
This one?
Yeah,
Or
presentation 2. All right, have fun.
In a time many years past, fate set the stage for a tale unlike any other. The great comet crashes down from beyond. It strikes the workshop of a grand inventor, Castile. Grand, but desperate. With the threat of bankruptcy winding down his back, he experiments with the mystical shards. Workers begin to leave, seeking stable employment. As if in response, people begin to go missing. The gears of progress continue to turn. This does not go without notice. Anyway, the young prodigy and child of the negligent Castile can only watch in horror. Both abandoned by their creator, Nimue and Ambrose, the cyborg bear, become fast friends. It's not long until the darkness of truth reaches them. They realize what must be done. begins. The story of the Soul Shop.
Let's review the plan. I only had enough chance to make one artifact. You can throw it anywhere, or pull it back.
With my remote, it can bounce me like a trampoline,
Conceal me like a chameleon.
rock us like a teeter-totter, and go back to normal again. Got it, love? There, that building in the distance where the lightning struck. We need to go there. Those lugnuts won't let us pass. We'll have to go through the basement. I think there are doors by the canal. Na 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 na. Ambrose!
Alright. So we're now finally in the game.
What did I read this to? Damn to hell! Humans are so fragile!
So let's go get our first collectible.
Nicholas, I want to go home. And here we go. It broke my glasses.
Don't be such a namby-pamby, Abby.
Ambrose, try the artifact here.
Time for our first puzzle. Alright, ladies first. Did you fall? Oh, you fell. That's okay. I fell. It's okay. Okay. Go back? Yeah. Got this. 5.
Yes, yes, just. You absolute oaf! No smarter than lemmings!
We're not going to get lost, Abby.
The door console's broke. We need that to go on. Careful, there's some live wires down there. The cyborg! He can short circuit the console. Hope it doesn't hurt him too bad.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you need a tune-up?
We have to make better. Yeah? Yeah. Struggle? Apparently.
What did I read this to? Damn to hell! Humans are so fragile!
Oh no, I fell again. Sorry. It's the nerves. It's the struggle. Got this. Alright. Got this. Good. There we go. And then we have the green cog to show our little hint system. There we go. Just trembling like I was. Okay.
Yes. Just. You absolute oaf! No smarter than lemmings.
The door console's broken. I need that to be careful, there's a live wires down.
Gotta get the sideboard
The
quality.
sideboard! You should set the console. Hope it doesn't burn too long. A shot! I'd expect to find another one. I wonder.
Have we made it through a first
This is trickier.
It's a little too spot on right now.
Useless. These boilers are useless. They'd be better as circus balls than a mechanical tool. Maybe I could resell them to some acrobats. Piccadilly's coming round this year. You got me. Must be more careful. It could kill.
Why is this happening? I can run on the boiler like an acrobat.
I'm rolling.
Are you a real character?
Yep, because apparently according to Castile, steam can kill. Can kill. In real life, true. Alright. Rolling.
Get back. I'm on you.
Crushing all the robots.
But Mom said she went down low.
It works! It works!
Get off of me! Let go! Nicholas, help me!
Hard working.
I won't let anyone else suffer like you did.
However, the cyborg won't be used to escape you. Don't want to do that again.
I bet we can ride it like a Ferris wheel. Guess it's a miniature one to you, Bruce.
So I turn the platform bouncy so I can get back up. Bears first.
Once more to the bridge, dear friend. It really was not hard. The door's over there. Metal.
No, you've never died.
Ta-da! Made you another object, buddy. Throw one here, another over there, and we'll get a lovely one. Do you like it? always wanted to go to the circus.
You are currently trespassing on private property. Leave now. Oh, don't. The cyborg will take care of it. Just don't get off the gearwork.
On the one hand, is it really trespassing if I'm his daughter? On the other, it's not like he knows who's broken in. I'm sure security just detected 2 intruders. On the other hand, or in the past perhaps, I think he'd be enraged if he knew it was us.
So now we have 2 artifacts, and we can make a platform across.
They're going so fast. So many robots exceeding the safety routines.
Get easy.
So to avoid all the sideboards, you can now also turn it loose.
I can squeeze by, but you're a big boy, Ambrose. Father never did have these
Let's just get some yeast from the factory. He's got extra. He won't notice it. And afterwards, let's jam nails under our fingernails because we're just full of great ideas tonight.
And I've got the last shark.
Piggyback? Please.
Alright.
Get them and scrap metal to dance! You'll go no further with him around intruders.
We'll see about that. Bet we can dodge him. Let's go to the door.
Take it off, Alfred. The joke's over. Take the cyborg suit off and let's get out of here. You took off your wedding ring. Or don't work like this.
Cyborg's chasing me. Go, Amber, let's go. Okay. You got it? Yeah. Sure? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, so, right? Yeah. Still following me? Okay, I'm working on it. Let me know when you're done.
He must have put power to the console. We'll have to short circuit it. A cyborg will fall, right?
Okay. One more. Don't worry, I just have a cyborg out and it's fine. Okay, go there one. Yeah?
Onto his couch. We can open the door. I wish I didn't have to hurt them though. They were my friends before Father got to them.
I believe.
What am I going to tell Anna?
Oh, carry me off the honeymoon.
You have to be in there, Alfred.
One What was it like being a bear?
I will remove this stairway. You are thwarted by gravity itself, vagrants.
We've come this far. Something as silly as gravity won't stop us. Have you ever been on a teeter-totter, Ambrose? We can make one with the pipe. See, I get on one end and you get on another, and we go up and down. Or we would, if you weren't so big. Don't be sorry. We can teeter-totter another time. And being big means there's more huts.
Bow-headed little beasts, but more time. There's no one left in this town. I use them up one by one. A traveler perhaps. An adventure.
I didn't expect him to admit it so easy. He almost sounds proud. It was so lonely growing up with him. When I got older, the townsfolk made it better. Now they're gone. I don't know what I'd have done without you, Ambrose.
Some generalize not a child too clever for their own good. I'm painfully familiar with one of those. Insolent, so repulsive. Her own brother left her.
Doesn't move it. He's just upset. It's not your fault. Mommy loved you. She didn't want to go. I mean it, Ambrose. I'm not sure I'd still be around if you left it. I think that would be one disappearance. Father didn't hurt me. Oh, nothing. Actually, can I go home? I love you, Ambrose.
Leave now, little way, and take your pot with you. I will not be as merciful if you bother my experiments again.
Merciful? He almost struck me. He would have, if not for you, Ambrose. In the cemetery when we grew up together. I'm not sure if he knows what mercy is.
Now we're going to show our plug teacher topic. Again, let me call it. A little angle, angle it.
This isn't fun. We've got work to do. Stop messing around. See this outfit? You looking pocket watch. Coming back for you. Swear. I'm coming back for you. I'm trying to help you. Now, stop getting it. You have to come with me now.
How dare you, ungrateful, horrid wretch!
Stop it, Father! Fix this!
You are the daughter of mine.
You never were my father, were you? Come on, Ambrose. We have to get out of here.
Go ahead and pull up the lights. Yeah. All right, team. Come on up. Come on. Come on. So that concludes our demo for the game, Soul Shard. Thank you for paying attention. Thank you, John Locke. A couple of other thank yous out there. I'd like to thank our development director, Grant Bentley, our creative lead, Chris Ressler, design lead, Ray Kaufman, programming lead, Andy Gustafson, art lead, Isabel Palmer, tech art and VFX, Anthony Monteagudo, level and narrative design, Bree Seal, tech design and UI, Austin Owen, tech design and general voodoo, Ethan Irwin, animators, Hannah Mackholm and Nick Woodoff, 3D and 2D cinematic artist, Jazz Brown, 3D artist and lighting, Akshay Dodia, 3D character artist, obviously, Earl Henerato, thank you. Programmers, Kira Sadaka, Arita O, Austin Crawford, and Cody Oliver. Sound design, thank you, Brendan Cruz. Thank you to our contract artist all the way out in India, Makra Rajneesh. Thank you to our very own composer, Mike Delgado, for an original score. And thank you to our alumni advisors, eternally grateful, Kristen Van Allen and Charlie Schuchard. Thank you so much. There you go.
All right,
Help me with these.
Break while the next team gets set up.